In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save and reuse a project as a template in Todoist. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to capture a project you've already set up and turn it into a reusable template you can apply again and again. This is perfect for recurring workflows like onboarding, content production, event planning, or anything you repeat with the same structure. First, open Todoist on your browser or desktop. Make sure you're signed into the account where the project lives. If you use Todoist on multiple devices, the web or desktop view is ideal here because the menu we need is easy to find and consistent. Give the page a second to load so all project details are up to date. Next, head into the specific project you want to save as a template. You'll see the project name at the top of the screen. In the upper right corner of the project, look for the three-dot menu. That's the project options menu. Before you proceed, it can be helpful to quickly scan your tasks and sections so the template includes exactly what you need. You can keep or remove dates, priorities, or labels as you prefer. Whatever you save here will be what you reuse later. Now click the three-dot menu and choose Save as Template. A small window will appear asking for a name. Give your template a clear, descriptive title so you can recognize it later. Something like Podcast Episode Workflow or Client Onboarding Standard. If you create multiple versions, adding a version number or short note can save time down the road. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Todoist will store the structure of your project, including its sections and tasks, as a template you can access anytime. To confirm it's saved, open the same three-dot menu again and select Browse Templates. This will take you to the template browser inside Todoist. You'll see your newly saved template listed there, ready for reuse. This is your central library, so as you build more templates, they'll all appear in one place. From here, you can preview their names and choose the right one whenever you want to spin up a fresh project that mirrors your saved structure. And that's it. Done. You've successfully saved your project as a template and verified it in the template browser. Remember, if you make changes to your original project later, the template won't update automatically. Just save a new template whenever you're ready to capture an improved version. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save reusing your Todoist templates.